Hello everyone. This is a vintage high-end AM/FM analog stereo tuner that is made in Japan. It's the Akai AT2600, made from 1976 to 1979. It has an output knob for the master volume control, a deviation meter for evaluating which FM stations compresses the music signals. It shows the actual FM modulation deviation from 0 to 100%. A high blend switch for mixing the high frequencies of both channels to reduce the hiss level for weaker stations. FM mute toggle switch with variable muting level control knob that works when selected to auto or FM mono, and the big analog tuning knob at the top. There are also 3 indicator lights for power, FM stereo, and AFC. Now, let's give it a try.
Kapag lumalakas ang katawan, mas lumalakas din ang loob para abutin ang bawat ambisyon, anuman ang hamon. Lakas ng katawan, lakas ng loob, lakas ng kaya ang ambisyon mo. Pag-Revicon Forte, araw-araw. Revicon Forte! Lakas! Alagang yung nilapyan.
Pisan magdungan-dungan. Saon itong magdungan ng bughat na bag sa ulo, pamaol, o hilangan, ka. Bughat na naitaduk. Sa ulo, pamaol, o pwede sa kahilangan. Mas paspas banat sa upat. Pisang magdungan pa. Faster versus paracetamol in as fast as 30 minutes.
Unilab yan.
Paracetamol caffeine is the generic name of Rexidol Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Mga idol, eto na ang isa sa mga 10 sikat na
mga hapon sab din mga igsoon nga magkakaming